Hi everyone, this is Miss Sarah here today. I'm with Miss Liz right now. We thought it'd be best to go through how to get on the math program from a student account. So I am using Oliver's account as an example today to show and help anyone that's having trouble. So once you log in, you will need to use the username and password that Miss Liz has given you. And once you log in, you should see a page that comes up like this. We are going to use the classes to see what Miss Liz has assigned us for this week. So right now she did assign this to this account as an example. So this is not something that you need to go in and do right away. This is an example that she has set up so that we can show you from a student account. So the first one that she has on here is the lesson 1.1. And once I go in, I can view this two different ways. The first way is I can see the assigned work that Miss Liz has for the student. So right now she has 6 different assigned activities. And if you click on the first one, it should show you all of those 6 activities along the top here as well. So today we'll be looking at the interactive addition, today's challenge, solving problems, all the way across to a little quiz at the end. Each one is a little bit different. Now, the interactive student edition may be one that will be difficult to upload. It takes the most time. So if you're waiting for that to upload, maybe you can try another one that she's assigned. Once you are in it, you can begin to write your answers on the page. So if the student has a mouse, I think it's the easiest for the student to be able to write with a mouse. And you can then do each page and hit next on the bottom right hand corner. Once you go through the entire packet in each one, Miss Liz will look at these, you can go up and you can hit mark as complete. So once I finish and I hit mark as complete, now it will show Miss Liz that I finished that for the day. I go on to the next challenge or the next activity that she's assigned for me. Some are going to be videos to teach the students different things. And as you click through on the bottom right hand corner again, you can listen what it teaches the students, and you can also draw on these pages. This one is a little bit different in that in order to submit it to Miss Liz, you would go up into the right hand corner over here to the check mark, and that says turn in your work. Are you sure you want to turn in your work? Yes, I'm finished. I'm going to turn it in. So now as I start to complete these, up on the top, they'll show completed. So either I hover over it and I click that I've completed it, or I go up into the top right hand corner and I hit that I have finished it. So again, it's asking me a question. It's really great because it will play for the student if they're not able to read it. And then once I'm finished, I go to turn in my work. Once the student has done the 6 different activities that Miss Liz has suggested for that day, you can go up into the right hand corner of the screen over here and you can do turn in all. Okay, it says that I don't have a few started, but I would have them all done before I did this. So turn in all. And now Miss Liz can see my assignment. It will say right here that I've completed. These say not started because I didn't do them, but now it'll show up on Miss Liz's side how much participation I have done and how much I have done from each lesson. I could go back to my classes and I could see other assignments that she has assigned for the week or for the day. I hope this helps. I know that it is taking some time for the different pieces to upload. That's the only thing that is kind of a problem, but most of them will upload. So if you get to one that doesn't, just try another one. I hope this helps, and we both hope that you guys have a great day.